Are you searching for a nutritious and delicious lunch idea that is perfect for work or school? Look no further. We have a fantastic
suggestion that will keep you
energized and satisfied throughout the day. Introducing our mouth-watering
quinoa salad with roasted
vegetables and grilled chicken, packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. This healthy lunch option will not only fuel your body but also tickle your taste buds. First, let's start with the star ingredient, quinoa. This ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. It provides a satisfying base for our salad, while keeping you full
until dinner.
The best part? It's gluten-free, making it ideal for those with dietary restrictions. Next, we add a colorful array of roasted vegetables, sweet bell peppers, tender zucchini, and juicy cherry. Tomatoes bring a delightful crunch and a burst of freshness to every bite.
Not only do these veggies
Provide a variety of vitamins and antioxidants,
but they also add a
vibrant touch to your lunchbox. But we're not done yet. We top it all off with succulent grilled chicken, high in lean protein. This addition will keep your muscles strong and help you stay focused throughout your busy day. The juicy and flavorful chicken pairs perfectly with the nutty quinoa and the roasted veggies, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures. To tie everything together, we drizzle a tangy and zesty lemon vinaigrette over the salad. This dressing adds a refreshing kick and enhances the overall flavor profile, making every forkful a delightful experience. With our quinoa salad, with roasted vegetables and grilled chicken, you can conquer your work or school day with a
nutritious and satisfying lunch, packed with nutrients. This meal will provide you with sustained energy and keep your health on track.
So why settle for ordinary
and uninspiring lunches? Try our tantalizing quinoa salad today and elevate your lunch game to a whole new level of goodness. Your body and taste buds will thank you.